I'm reviewing the Paris Rhône milk frother. The milk frother looks like this. It's black, but they also have it in silver, but I got the black one. And the maximum capacity for heating is about 8.1 ounces. And the maximum capacity for the frother is around 3.9 ounces. And of course, the minimum amount to heat it up is 2.5 ounces. So you get the brush, the cleaning brush in there. You also have all these gadgets that you need for the frother to work. So it has a base. This is the heating base which you plug in. So the frother also comes with a manual, and please use the manual to know how to safely use this frother. So you do get a whisk. This is the frother whisk right here, and you do get an extra frother whisk that you can use. So we're just going to assemble it. This one has already been assembled for us, where you have the whisk here. So you want to just take this and you're going to put it in the middle. So let's just fit it in there, and this is what will whisk and create the froth. So inside the cup, you'll be able to see the measurements for the liquid that you can put in there. So if you're going to create froth, you want to use about 75 to 105 ml of milk. But if you just want to heat up your milk, then you want to use about 75 to 240 ml of milk. So we're going to take our milk right now, and I'm just going to put, I want to froth, so I'm just going to put about 80 ml of milk in this. So once my milk is in there, I just have to close it up and I can start the frothing process. So if you want to froth only, you can hold the power button for 2 seconds to only froth, but I'm gonna heat up the milk and I'm also gonna be frothing it. So all I just do is just press the power button and it will start frothing. So once it's done, you can see that it's flashing the red light. So that means it's done. Let me show you what it looks like. So when you take it out of the cover, take out the cover, you can see how foamy it is, and we're going to just pour it into our coffee mug. So this is my coffee. It's really, really nice, nicely frothed. I just absolutely love it.